Hello friends, today I am going to show you one magical function in Excel. Its name is Flashfill. So don't miss to watch till end. Flashfill will help you to reduce Excel work time from hours to few seconds. Are you facing a problem with exported Excel reports from ERP system like SAP or Oracle in which you need to organize correct data from unorganized data? Like we have in a column we have unorganized data and we would like to correct it. If you are working in HR department and you would like to create email address of a new recruited employee, are you creating it manually? So with the help of Flashfill you can do it within a seconds. So similarly these kind of problems and other problems can be solved by Flashfill. So I will show you 7 to 8 examples today in this tutorial. So let's start. Hello friends, it's me Hiren Shukla, your Excel friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel Shiren Excel Friend. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press bell icon to get updates for my latest videos. So our today's topic is Flashfill, a magical function. Flashfill detects the consistent pattern in the available data and provides a suggestions to fill all the data and automatically according to our inputs for rest data. So where you can find this Flashfill function is in the home, in the fill and Flashfill. Also you will get this in the data tab and the Flashfill, and also you can use the shortcut key Control E. So let's start practice. So here we have a sales order number in a column and we want only the sales order number. This is the unorganized we are getting from system that in starting there is alphabet and the slash, but we want only the numbers. So how we can get only the orders easily? So what you need to do is you need to give an input from this available data because Excel ultimately want to understand the pattern. So pattern here is the similar, like all the alphabet and our sales order digits are 8 numbers. So Excel will understand this pattern and according to our input it will give output to us. So put one example and go to the next cell and then go to the Flashfill and press Flashfill. So automatically you will get the correct data. Similarly for email address, if you are working in HR department and you would like to create an email address for new recruited employees, so you can do it within a second. Like here I would like to show you. Here we have a full name, so I want only the first name from this available full name data. So I'm doing shortcut key, I'm using shortcut key Control E, right? Similarly what we can do is from the home tab I can go here fill and then we can use Flashfill. So we get a surname from all the full name, and here we have a company name. Here I mention different kind of a company name, but if the company name is similar then we can also do the same. So I have done one example, like if I want surname first then we can do the same also, like Shukla dot Rajendra @abc.com, and I'm pressing shortcut key Control E. So you will get all the email IDs for all the employees like this within a second. Also the new example is addresses. If you have a house number, society, apartment or street, locality, city, state, all other things in different column, and you would like to create an address, so what we can do with the Flashfill is easily we can get the data. Similarly only we need to do one example. We need to give one or two example to Excel to understand the pattern, and then we can use the Control E. So you can see here we have all the data, right? All the address created automatically, right? So let's go to next practice. If you would like to concatenate first and last name, so similarly what we can do is we can put here like Rajendra and Shukla. I'm giving one example to understand Excel the pattern, and then I'm pressing Ctrl E shortcut. So all the name is concatenated with the full name, right? Let's go to next practice. If we have a text in which we would like to extract only the digits, so what we need to do is we need to give a input of one example for 300123. We have given the example, and then we can press shortcut Control E Flashfill, use Flashfill. And similarly also what we can do for text also, if you would like to extract only the text, then also we can do the same. Here we have another data alphanumerical code, and we would like to extract only alpha code. Like here we have a mix-up data, alpha code and numerical data. So we want only the alpha code. So we can use this only. We need to give one example, and then we can use shortcut key Control E flash for Flashfill. So we will get all the data within just seconds. It will save your lots of time. If you have a much more data, then it will save your many of the time. From the first and last name, if you would like to extract only initials, like Rajan from Rajendra R and the Shukla from S only. So similarly we can do for all within a second. Yes, of course. Also the sentences. If you have all the data sentencing in lowercase and you would like to do in uppercase, you need to give 1 to 2 example, and then shortcut with the shortcut Flashfill function you will get the uppercase of all the data. Okay, so let me also give you the important information for the Flashfill also. The function is available, this function Flashfill is available in 2013 and above versions only, in Excel 2013 and above versions only. And this function is not dynamic. Not dynamic means if you will change the data, suppose if I will change the data here, like I'm doing only 9 here, so automatically it will not change the data here. So this is not the dynamic function, right? Also, in case of no proper pattern of the data, you will not get 100% result. Let me show you one with some example. Suppose I'm typing, if there will be some typo error, like in the Rajendra, if I will mention Gajendra, suppose typo error, then it will gives wrong output. See, all the name started with the G, right? So it will give the wrong output. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned a lot. If you like and feel this video is really helpful, keep me motivated by like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning and stay connected with me for more videos and learnings. Be happy and make your family happy. Thank you.